Hi everyone, this is CJ with Cycletron. I'm going to show you how to reset the service light on your Gen 3 Hayabusa. So you can see on startup, the service warning comes up, then it goes away, and then you'll see the wrench icon in the top left-hand corner of the TFT display that indicates that you've met a service interval. So first off, we're going to use our key to unlock the rear passenger seat. We'll pop that up. We're going to use this connector here. Thanks to Drew at More Mafia, it showed me how to do this on my 2020 Katana, and Ray, I think you mentioned this in a comment to one of my videos that you use paper clips to jumper the wires on this connector, so I'll show you how to do that. Okay, first of all, we got to get the bike in the mode where we can reset the service light. So you turn it on, hold the mode selector switch down, it pops up, it will go down. Service, hit the mode button, select that. Okay, now we're going to jumper the wires. Take this connector out. I do this one-handed here. I can't. I'm going to have to push this down and pull this face off. I'm going to push this down here, this little lever, and then pull this out. So I'm going to set the camera down to do that real quick. Alright, so I got that off. So if you're looking down at the top of a connector, I'm going to jumper the two wires on the top, the two outside wires, with a paper clip. That's my handy paper clip. Just going to put it in the face of the connector and jumper that across. So when you do that, the reset light comes on the display. So I'm going to hit mode. I'm going to say reset yes. Okay, you got to keep that paper clip in there the whole time. So I'm going to hit mode where it's on reset. The mode button. I'm going to set reset yes. I'm going to hit the mode button again. So now we're going to reset the service interval. I reset it a minute ago, so I've got it 7,500 miles. It needs to go to, I think, about 3,000 miles. Be about right for the next one. And then I'm going to change the date, service date. I just found out if you don't have your clock set right, you can't set it to a service date past the current time, so. Alright, now we're good. I'm going to hit it set, exit. Alright. Alright, so that wasn't too bad. The key is you got to keep that connector jumpered the whole time while you navigate the mode and selector switches, so you might want to have somebody help you to hold the paper clip in across those two contacts. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any comments.